Welcome back to CAD Station. Today we are going to draw this a small block in this tutorial. It is quite simple block. You can easily draw this using extruded boss base and extruded cut command. But I am going to draw these taper side using reference plane as well as extruded cut for this taper side. Extruded cut is very simple command you can use, but it's not going to be used in every taper side or any side which is not perpendicular to other. So I am going to teach you about the reference plane. So let's start now. Came here to new document part. Okay, first of all we are going to draw this square side which is extruded up to 32. Come here, units I'm going to draw in millimeters, as here is not mentioned any unit system unit, so you can use millimeter, inches, it's up to you. I'm going to use top plane as usual, it's up to you. You can use front plane as well as right plane according to your drawing. First of all, center rectangle from origin, one rectangle of smart dimension 72. This side is of 72 and this side is of 70. Okay, features, extruded boss up to 32 mm. Okay, it's ready, but select this plane, sketch, control 8. We have to draw this circle. It's of 44 millimeters and extrude up to 25. 44 dia, smart dimension 44. 44 features, extruded cut up to 25, up to 25. Okay, now in this circle, sketch, control 8, again select circle from origin. Now it is of 14 millimeter and it's up to the end. 14 millimeter smart dimension, its diameter is 14 mm. Okay, now extrude it up to features, extruded cut up to, you can select here through all, or in blind you can just increase it so that it can cut the end surface. Okay, now the circle is of 44 and 14 millimeter is completed. Now we have to draw these cut side. Here you can see it is of 32 mm. Now come here, select this face, sketch, control 8, corner rectangle from this line and touch to this circle. Okay, smart dimension and make its dimension of 32. Okay, now you can see this point is tangent to this circle, but this is not. So select this point and select this circle and make relation coincident. It's now completely defined. Now features, extruded cut, extrude cut it up to 15 mm, and okay, now this block is complete. Here you have the option, you can draw this side and make this side using extruded boss base and then extruded cut, and mirror these two features onto the left hand side, but I'm going to draw this side using extruded boss base and extruded cut command, and then for the left hand side I'm not going to mirror this interface. As I said, I am going to use reference plane on left hand side. So let's just start. This side is of 46 by 47. Select this face, Control 8, sketch corner rectangle from this edge, smart dimension 46, and this is of 12. Features, extruded boss up to 47. Okay, now select this face, sketch, Control 8, and corner rectangle from this corner to this corner rectangle from here to here. Now smart dimension, this is of this side is of 32. Select this as 32. Okay, and extrude up to 20 mm. You can extrude up to directly 20 mm, or you can see this is just touching this block. So okay, now this I have to draw this taper side, but here is a cavities of 18 mm this large side and 10 mm this small side. Now select this face, sketch, Control 8, line command, this side is horizontal line, and escape. Now firstly escape, select its midpoint, press Control, select its midpoint and make a relation horizontal. Okay, now smart dimension, this is of 10 mm. Okay, this is of 18 mm. Okay, now this side is of 8 mm. From here to here distance is 8 mm. Okay, and this point to this line is of 7 mm, and make here to here 7 mm. Okay, and from here to this point it's also 8 mm. Okay, features, extruded cut up to, you can see, up to 20 millimeters. We extrude it up to 20, then we have to cut it up to 20 mm. Okay, now you have to draw taper side. Simple steps, sketch, line command from this top, this point and close it. Okay, press escape. Features, extruded cut. Now you can see extruded cut shows it is going to cut this side, but I have to cut the top triangle, not the bottom triangle. So I am going to flip side to cut, not select contours and select this. Now it's select through all, and it's going to cut the upper triangle up to end face of the diagram, and select OK. Now your this side is ready. For this side, select this, first mirror the bottom block, mirror to the face, first right plane, and features, which features I am going to, this feature, and select OK. Now as I had said you, I am going to draw this taper side on the left hand by using reference plane. You can find reference plane on the reference geometry plane. Okay, for here you can see first reference plane, first reference select this line. For second reference select this line. Now you, here's a plane is created on some angle or and select okay. Now press Ctrl 8 for normal, go to sketch and first corner rectangle. From first select this edge and make a rectangle just, and smart dimension this side is of 32. Okay, and select it. Now click on this line, press Ctrl and click on this edge and make a relation collinear. Okay, now features, extrude boss base. Extrude boss base, I have to extrude it down, but it shows extruding up. Select this arrow and now you can see it is going to extrude here it's going to extrude in this angle, but I have to extrude it in perpendicular direction to this surface. So I'm going to blind to up to next. You can see it's going to draw on this triangle. Select OK. Now it's extruded. You have to draw this cavity. Select this face, or first select it and suppress. Okay, now select this and sketch Ctrl 8 line command, same working D here to here and here. Exit, smart dimension 18, 10, 18, 10, and now this line to this edge is 7, this line to this edge is 7, this point to this line is 8, and one more relation that we miss from midpoint, and its midpoint is here. Make relation horizontal. Okay, now we have to give a dimension on this side, but for this exit from this sketch, click here and unsuppress. Okay, now again sketch and edit sketch. Now edit sketch, then smart dimension, and these distances from here to here is okay. From this point to this line is 7. This side is of 7. We had here's some mistake. Okay, click here and made it 7. Automatically it's 7. Now okay, plane and hide it. Then go to features, extruded cut. We have to cut it on the top side, and okay, it's ready. Now you can see same taper side on this block and same taper side on this block. Reference plane is very important command in SolidWorks, as you are going to draw any block or any sketch which is not perpendicular to other, then you have to use reference geometry, and it is quite difficult. Now you can make any color appearance. So this block is ready now. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If there is any problem when you are drawing, then you can ask me on comment. So inshallah we'll be here with another drawing